Greetings, my name is Jeremy Hardiman, the owner and chief writer for Articulate Your Value. And with my company, what we focus on is professional resume writing and career services. More recently, we launched our first workbook, and we are now launching the second edition, which focuses on junior colleges. And so we're super excited about this because we know that there can be a lot of value that will come from the details and the content that are included within this workbook. But before we go there, a little bit more about Articulate Your Value. We've been in business since 2020, but I like to say we got our start well before then in terms of helping friends and families and helping them achieve their career goals. But now with the company, more recently, we've partnered with a lot of great organizations like the Arizona Super Bowl Host Committee, the Arizona Men's Final Four Host Committee, also the Congressional Black Caucus Foundation, the University of Texas, Arlington, their RISE Academy program within the College of Business. We've also focused on supporting large corporations like Lockheed Martin and going in and facilitating professional development seminars. And so as it pertains to this workbook, and why we're so excited about it, especially in this great state of Texas, is with House Bill 8, obviously, as a lot of you are probably aware of, it focuses on, a huge emphasis is on career preparedness and workforce development. And we see a gap in this space in terms of ensuring that our students that are graduating from junior colleges or receiving some sort of certifications are clearly aware of how they should be articulating their credentials. And this workbook is going to be a step-by-step guide for them to be able to achieve this. It's filled with a lot of great content, great examples in terms of different things that the students will be able to follow to tailor their resumes in similar directions. With Articulate Your Value, I've had the opportunity to work with a lot of folks that are transitioning from the junior college level, whether that be somebody starting a career in HVAC, as an HVAC specialist, as a nurse, or even within the business field. And we include examples related to all those things within our workbook as well for the students to follow along with. And, you know, we're super excited because we're confident that this will be one of the main things that connects the prospective students to their selected career path to help them, you know, get things going and get on in terms of what it is they're looking to achieve long term. And so we look forward to connecting with you. We would definitely like to hear from you. That contact information is being provided. And so again, we're super excited about this. And if you want to have a conversation, obviously be able to see the content, feel the content, go through the workbook yourself, then we'll definitely look to get time scheduled with you. So again, we're excited about this. Please contact us whenever time allows, and we look forward to speaking with you.